guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a single chain loom band bracelet with your fingers. To make one of these bracelets you will need around 20 bands, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, and you will also need an S or a C piece. So let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our first rubber band and put it around our two fingers, crossing it just like that, so it looks kind of like an 8. Then we'll take our second band and put it around our two fingers again, but this time not crossing it over, just keeping it like that. Then we'll take the bottom of the blue one and put it over, and same to the other side, and let go of it, and then just pull it down a bit so you should have something like this. Then we'll take our third rubber band and put it over this one, not crossing it, and do the same, just get this one that's underneath, put it over, and the purple one again, and put it over that one, and pull it down. Then take your next rubber band and put it over, just the same, we're doing the exact same thing again, pull it over, and underneath, and then just pull that down. And we're going to do that same thing for the whole time until you think it's going to fit your wrist. And the last one, okay, there we go. So now you should have a chain that looks like this. So what you're going to do now is take the left side of the band and put it so that both sides of the band are both on one finger. So it should look like this now. And the final step, we need an S piece to join the two sides of the bracelet together. So you're going to take your final band and put one side of the S clip, hook it onto the band on both bits, so it's like that. And you're going to do this the exact same on the other side, so you find the other end of your bracelet and you put that between your fingers like that, so it stretches, and put the other side of the S clip onto the rubber band like that, and just mess around with it, and there is your final single chain bracelet.